So today we're going to install my new Givi Sport Windscreen. These are the instructions, super basic, super simple. First thing we're going to do is remove the stock OEM windshield from KTM. That's this guy right here. And you can adjust the height in increments of 8. But I thought for long distance touring, and when you're doing some highway speeds that are up there, a little bit more wind protection might save me some fatigue at the end of the day. So I removed that guy. These 4 OEM hex head bolts came out, those 4 points here. And for the new windshield, pretty straightforward. You got the Allen head bolt, the metal washer, a rubber washer, and then the delicate acrylic in the middle, and then another rubber washer on the other side, and then a little mounting metal plug that kind of gives the mount a little bit of a depth. And that's really all there is to it to install it. And there she is. That's what she looks like. Looking pretty great. If we do a little side-by-side comparison, you can see that it's not a huge difference from stock, which I like, but definitely gives you a couple inches at the bottom and a couple inches at the top, as well as being taller, which should provide some great additional wind protection. And of course I can always keep this for a spare backup. There she is, pretty happy with it. Not too big, not too small. There's another touring windshield that Givi makes, and I just felt that was way too big. It was way too tall, so I'm returning that guy. But this one I think is just right. Let's go for a ride and test her out. So here I am in beautiful Otay Ranch. Lovely day, Sunday morning. About 8:30 a.m., 69 degrees. Otay Mountain over there. And I got my new windshield installed. I'm pretty happy with it so far. But of course, I've only been doing some around the neighborhood riding. So why don't we get out on the highway and see how she does at speed. I love this time of day on a Sunday morning. Nobody's up, nobody's out. So peaceful and calm. So far, this new windshield is pretty amazing. It's a significant difference. The level of wind noise compared to the stock shield, I mean, of course, I'm only doing just under 50. But the level of noise compared to the stock shield is significantly less, which is nice. In front of me on his dual sport, he's probably going to go up over Otay Mountain. So I've got my windscreen, my new Givi Sport Windscreen, set in the lowest possible setting, and I don't feel the wind at all. It's pretty amazing. It's maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches broader, wider than the stock screen was. It's quieter. It feels calmer. But I feel like my chest and my head are in a nice little comfy air cushion. It's pretty great. What a beautiful morning. 71 degrees now. Yeah, I'm digging this new windscreen.
that just a marginally larger windscreen can make such a big difference, but it does. Is it worth the price? I think so. When you're doing those long touring days, at the end of the day, the less that you're holding on to the bars and fighting against the wind, the headwind, the better. Beautiful morning. Anyway, if you're thinking about getting a Givi Sport Windscreen for your KTM, I highly recommend it. It's a pretty significant upgrade for a marginal cost above the stock unit. It's definitely worthwhile. Thanks for watching.